Hello, lovely! In this video, I will show you how to upload a video on YouTube. This is great because if you want to have a YouTube channel, you're gonna need to upload some videos. So I'll show you the ways that I know how to do it, and let's just get right into it. In the top right corner, you can see this little camcorder with the plus sign in it. Click that. Here, you're gonna get the option to upload a video, go live. We'll have that in another video. Click Upload Video. As long as you're signed into your YouTube channel, this icon will be here in the top right corner and you can click on that to upload a video. Next, I do have my default set to private. If you haven't watched the video that I've done on setting your YouTube channel defaults, make sure to check that out because if you are planning your videos and you want to schedule them ahead of time, it's best to keep them private so that they don't all go public when you're not ready for them to. So here, you can select files to upload, so you can click here, or you can open up your files and drag it on over. Drag and drop. Ooh, how easy was that, right? So next, you can see it is currently working. It's working hard. A couple things that you'll see here. We'll go over what's going on while it is uploading. Upload status. It's currently uploading your video. Here's the link where your video will be live. Some basic info. Here's where you'll put the title of your video. This is where you would put the description. So tell your viewers a little bit about your video. So the tags don't actually show up in your video. Tags are different things that let YouTube know what it's related to. So this video is about plates, so I would put something saying plates, dinnerware, silverware, forks, spoons, knives. Private, only you can view. So you can share this link, but if someone's not signed into your YouTube account, they cannot view it. So public is usually when you watch a video, when you're watching this video right now, it is a public video. So that's the setting so that your viewers can watch your video. Unlisted. I use these type of videos when I want to share videos with my family. So I upload it to YouTube, mark it as unlisted because only the people with the link can view it. Next is scheduled. I really love this option. If I wanted a video to go live April 26th at 7:30 p.m., I can. And you can choose what time zone you want it to show up as well. Next is add to playlist. You can add it to a playlist just by clicking here and it'll give it a little check mark. You can add it to both. So it can be added to more than one playlist. If it fits those categories, it's up to you how you want to organize that. Next is your custom thumbnail. If you haven't watched the video on how to get access to a custom thumbnail, especially if you're a new YouTuber, there are a couple steps you have to go through to make sure you are eligible for custom thumbnails. Click the button and then navigate to your thumbnails. I'm gonna choose a random one. I already have this one up on my site, but we're just gonna use it for the purposes of this tutorial. This photo shows a plate, but when it is done, it'll show a photo of me. How cool is that? We're gonna move it off of scheduled and select private because I don't want this plate video accidentally going live. It says some of your changes are not yet saved. Click done. Now all changes are saved. Your video is ready at this link, so I can take this link here, copy it, paste it up in my browser. So there is the lovely video that we just posted. How awesome is that? So it's just a scan over a plate. If you like that video, make sure to like and subscribe. We have finished our Pinterest series and we're working on our YouTube tips. So definitely like and subscribe so you can get more tips on YouTube and show you how I do things behind the scenes of my business and blog.